Hello, welcome to the ceiling fan world. What we have here is a 100 low profile and a 42-inch ceiling fan. And I'm going to demonstrate it for you. Start with the low speed. Yeah, it's in my sister's room, as you can see here. Let's go for medium. Let's do a zoom in. It looks good on medium with a little amount of air. Now let's go for high. I know it looks pretty noisy on high, but it does blow a ton of amount of air. As you can get an airflow from here. Alright, let's shut it off. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you can click like the like button or subscribe to my channel. There will be lots more to come, and I hope you all have a good day. Bye bye.